Welcome back to SGS online classes. Today in class 5 EVS I will start chapter 10 pollution part 4. Student, in part 4 I will explain noise pollution. Student, in part 1 of chapter 10 pollution I have explained soil pollution. Part 2 of chapter 10 pollution I have explained air pollution. Part 3 of chapter 10 pollution I have explained water pollution. In part 4 of chapter 10 pollution I will explain noise pollution. In noise pollution I will explain what is noise pollution, causes of noise pollution, effects of noise pollution, measures to control noise pollution. So in this part I will discuss these points of noise pollution. So student, let's start. Student, what is sound? What is sound? Anything that we listen or hear is called sound. Whatever we listen or hear is called sound. Scientifically, how we can explain sound? A vibration that propagates a mechanical wave of pressure and displacement through some medium is called sound. In a simple line, displacement of vibration of waves through some medium is called sound. Student, sound is what is the unit to measure sound? Sound is measured in unit called decibel. In short, we write dB. So what is sound? Sound, whatever we listen or hear, that is sound, and it is measured in decibels. In short, we write dB. So what is noise? Unwanted sound or unpleasant and loud sound is called noise. Unwanted sound or unpleasant and loud sound is called noise. So student, in this way we can define noise. Student, what is noise pollution? What is noise pollution? Pollution I have explained in part 1st, part 2nd and part 3rd video also. Now student, what is noise pollution? Noise pollution is the result of unpleasant and loud noise that causes discomfort. What is noise pollution? Noise pollution is the result of unpleasant and loud noise that causes discomfort. Now student, there is a basic difference between sound and noise. There is a basic difference between sound and noise. What is that basic difference? Student, first, it is dependent on listener and circumstances. It is dependent on listener and circumstances, such as rock music. Some people like to listen rock music, and rock music is comfortable for them. But some people don't like rock music, and rock music is uncomfortable for them. So those people who are uncomfortable in listening rock music, for them rock music is a noise pollution. And those who like rock music and those who have no problem in listening rock music, for them it is a sound and they enjoy it. So it is dependent on listener and circumstances. Now second, other pollutions are visible. Air pollution we can see, water pollution we can see, and soil pollution we can see, but noise pollution we cannot see, but it is harmful as equal to other pollutions. So student, this is difference. Now third, a sound that is unpleasant to human ears causing disturbances is called noise. A sound that is unpleasant to human ears causing disturbance is called noise. So In this way we can correlate. There is a basic difference between sound and noise. Now, causes of noise pollution. Causes of noise pollution. There are different causes and different places also. Outdoor, indoor noise. When we are outside, then outdoor noise pollution. Inside, indoor noise pollution. So, outdoor noise pollution. There are different human activity and natural activity. Human activity, social events. Social events, what type of social events? Like places of worship, discos, parties, etc. There we enjoy DJ, there we enjoy, there is a loud music, we listen through a speaker, so they cause a noise pollution. Industrial and commercial activities, machine in factories, manufacturing plants, construction sites, printing press, etc. They cause a noise pollution. Machines in factories, manufacturing plants, construction sites, printing press, etc. They cause a noise pollution. Transportation sounds, loud sounds of horn, traffic on the roads, they cause noise pollution. The roaring sounds of engines, of aircrafts, they cause the noise pollution. Student, during war time or war practices, missiles are released, so they also cause the noise pollution. Now, natural activity, noise of heavy rain cause noise pollution, thunderstorm cause noise pollution, volcanic eruption cause noise pollution. Now, indoor, student, if somebody is listening TV at a very loud sound, that causes noise pollution. This mixer water and this mixer grinder, they cause the noise pollution. Water motor, etc. cause noise pollution. So these all cause a noise pollution. So students, these are the few causes that I have explained. Now, effects of noise pollution. Effects of noise pollution. Anxiety, irritation, hypertension, sleep disorder are the effects of noise pollution. What are the effects of noise pollution? First, anxiety, irritation, hypertension, sleep disorder are the effects of noise pollution. Loud noise over a long duration may lead to deafness or loss of hearing. So, what? Loud noise over a long duration may lead to deafness or loss of hearing. Student, what is the effect of noise pollution on the wildlife? Noise pollution can cause serious health problems for wildlife, both on land and in the sea, because they are more sensitive than the human beings. So, measures to control noise pollution. Measures to control noise pollution. The volume of horns and loudspeakers should be strictly monitored. The volume of horns and loudspeakers should be strictly monitored. Soundproofing of factory buildings should be made compulsory. Soundproofing of factory building should be made compulsory. Advanced technology to control sound in aircraft and engines should be used to reduce sound, so that we can prevent noise pollution, prevent ourselves from noise pollution. Now, student, there is one more way we can prevent ourselves from noise pollution: by planting more and more trees. By planting more and more trees, We can prevent wildlife also. We can um, protect air from air pollution, and we can protect soil from soil erosion. Now students, we can protect from noise pollution also, because trees helps in reducing noise also. So these are the measures to control noise pollution. Now student, hard words. Hard words used in noise pollution topic. So first, unpleasant. Student, unpleasant, causing to have bad feeling, not nice. Causing to have bad feeling. Unpleasant, causing to have bad feeling. Discomfort. Discomfort, a slight feeling of pain. Roaring, making a very loud noise. Roaring, making a very loud noise. Irritation, feeling of being angry or annoyed. When you don't like any sound, what you feel? You feel angry or annoyed. Headache, a pain in the head. Deafness, hearing impairment or hearing loss. Monitored, checked. Technology, the scientific knowledge and or equipment that is needed for particular industry. Aircraft, any vehicle that can fly in the air, for example a plane. Water bodies, rivers, seas, lakes, ocean are called water bodies. Now student, book exercise. Fill in the blank. First, book exercise of chapter 10 pollution. Fill in the blank. First, sleep disorder is an effect of blank. It is what? Sleep disorder is an effect of noise pollution. Asthma is a result of, it is blank, air pollution. Asthma is a result of blank, it is air pollution. Aquatic life gets affected due to, it is blank, water pollution. Aquatic life gets affected due to water pollution. Air pollution can be controlled by using cleaner fuels like CNG. Now, book exercise, choose the correct option. Excessive use of chemical fertilizer causes. There are many options: soil pollution, noise pollution, water pollution, air pollution. Which one is the correct option? Soil pollution. Excessive use of chemical fertilizer causes soil pollution. Drinking polluted water causes. There are 4 options: headache, jaundice, asthma, deafness. So drinking polluted water causes jaundice. So these were the, choose the correct options. So student, chapter 10 pollution part 4 completed. Thank you.